Radiant barriers can be an effective way of reducing heat gain in attics. In fact, radiant barriers can reduce attic temperatures by as much as 30 degrees and reflect as much as 97% of the heat from the sun that re-radiates through a roof deck. Now, this product is a drapable radiant barrier. It's flexible. And joining me to tell me how this product works is Monty Millspaw from Reflectex.
Hello,
Monty,
Steve.
this looks like a bubble pack type product with foil on it.
That's exactly right. It's 2 layers of bubble pack with pure aluminum foil applied to the exteriors.
Now, how is this used in new construction?
In new construction, typically as a radiant barrier, it'd be draped over the trusses, either as the sheathing goes up or before the sheathing goes up.
It's obvious, Monty, that this is highly reflective, but one of the properties that really makes it work is the fact that it has a low emittance.
That's correct, Steve. Aluminum has 2 characteristics that make it a very good barrier against radiant energy. One is obviously its reflectivity. It will reflect 97% of the reflective energy that strikes it. The other characteristic is its ability to not emit heat. And that basically what that means is it prevents the heat from being emitted into the attic, therefore reducing attic air temperatures and saving on air conditioning.
Now, what about fire? Are there any issues around fire or flame spread that we should be aware of?
Fire in a home is always an issue. But these products are tested and carry a Class A, Class 1 fire rating tested in E84 ASTM Steiner tunnel test.
Now, what does that mean exactly?
Basically what that means is it's the best fire rating you can get for a product that is combustible. It is not meant to be used as a fire stop, but as a building material it has the best fire rating you can get.
How would you apply this in a retrofit situation?
Typically it's installed as a radiant barrier in between the trusses, stapled between them, or on the bottom side of the top cord of the truss.
So this has these nailing flanges that you could actually bend over if you want to put it in.
That's
in
correct.
between.
They're made specifically to fit in trusses. They're either 16-inch or 24-inch on center.
And so this goes into either the bottom of rafters or the bottom of trusses. And what kind of air spaces do you typically need as a minimum?
What you need as a minimum is 1 inch below the sheathing board. And when you get down to the end of the truss or the rafter, you want to maintain about a 3.5 inch space above your insulation.
Well, it looks like a good product that you could put on before or after a home's been built. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you, Steve.
Well, radiant barriers is just one more component that can make your home an energy efficient system.